Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Ford Transit side mirror. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and of course, your new mirror. Make sure you have the correct mirror for your specific Ford Transit model. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer. This simple repair can save you money and get you back on the road quickly. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Using your trim removal tool, carefully pry off the small interior trim panel that covers the mirror's mounting bolts. Once that's off, you'll see the electrical connector. Gently disconnect it. Finally, use your screwdriver to remove the 3 mounting bolts that secure the mirror to the door. Keep these bolts safe, as you'll need them for the new mirror. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly, aligning its mounting holes with those on your Ford Transit's door frame. Insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts securely, but don't over-tighten them. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror. Ensure it clicks firmly into place for a good connection. Almost done. Before you hit the road, sit in the driver's seat and test all the mirror's functions. Adjust the mirror glass, and if your model has heating, ensure that works too. Finally, snap the interior trim panel back into place around the mirror base. It should fit snugly. You've successfully replaced your Ford Transit side mirror. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.